Yay! I don't have time for this. Taking forever. Oh. Oh, doesn't Grandad have this type one? Oh, this is a speaker.
I don't think I understand them.
Love heart. I spelled my name Maya and a rainbow because I'm over it. I'm over it. Now it's time to turn it on. It's on! Oh, I need to plug it in.
I put on instrumental Tropical House.
Shake, shake.
Can you find any apps on it?
Not yet because it's still setting up.
Wow, you can actually download games from the Xbox. That's awesome.
Okay, now I'm going to make this evil Evie. Right. Keep exploring to find as many emojis as you can.
Oh.
No, I died!
Staring at this, wondering what to do.
No fun stuff.
I never actually assembled a PC before.
I made it myself.
This one could just do normal stuff a computer can do. This one can as well, but it could do more stuff.
It just feels more alive.
I love it.
You get to keep the computer.
Really?
Really?
No. I'm going to give this one to Lola. I'm going to have the better one.